Most people think the channels earning the biggest numbers on YouTube are the ones doing massive productions, flying around the world, building expensive sets, filming elaborate challenges, or creating complicated storytelling series. But there's an entire hidden ecosystem on YouTube that quietly racks up millions of views every single day without any of that. No camera, no studio, no actors, no on-screen personality at all. Just simple, colorful, rhythmic kids songs. And what makes this niche so fascinating is that these videos look incredibly basic on the surface, yet the numbers behind them are massive. Channels that upload nothing but animated children's songs are often generating traffic equal to some of the biggest creators on the platform, and they do it with a workflow that is surprisingly achievable for a single person. Today, with the AI tools available to us, you can create this exact style of video completely free. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to recreate the entire process from scratch. The full workflow uses 5 free tools: GPT for generating the concept and writing the lyrics, Suno for composing the full music track, Google Whisk for creating the artwork, Grok for turning still images into animation, and CapCut for assembling the final video. Once you see how these steps connect, you'll realize that producing kids' songs isn't just easy. It's repeatable, scalable, and perfect for building a long-term content library. We start with the idea. Kids' content performs best when the theme is simple, repetitive, predictable, and tied to early learning concepts. Instead of brainstorming manually, I go straight to GPT and ask it to generate a list of kid-friendly song concepts specifically designed for ages 2 to 4. These themes usually include numbers, letters, colors, shapes, animals, vehicles, and daily routines. Things parents frequently search for because they help their children learn while staying entertained. GPT returns a list instantly, and I look for an idea that has natural rhythm and is easy to expand into a series. One of the most effective formats is something like an animal counting parade. It blends numbers with characters kids immediately recognize and creates a built-in progression that encourages retention. Once the concept is selected, I ask GPT to write a complete lyric sheet. For kids' songs, I typically aim for around 2 minutes of lyrics, because when paired with animations, that usually results in a final video around 2 to 4 minutes long, a proven sweet spot across major children's channels. I request a short, catchy chorus that repeats multiple times and then 10 simple verses, one for each number. GPT generates the full structure instantly, and I review it to make sure the rhythm feels smooth, the words are easy to sing, and the lines are repetitive enough for toddlers to follow. When the lyrics look good, it's time to move on to the music. Suno handles the entire audio production. I copy the full lyric sheet into Suno, paste it into the lyrics field, and describe the style I want. An upbeat, catchy, easy-to-remember melody that feels bright and joyful, similar to famous children's songs like Baby Shark or simple preschool learning tunes. Suno processes the text and generates 2 complete versions of the song. I listen to both, choose the one with the clearest rhythm and the most pleasant repetition, and save it. In just a few minutes, we now have a full, ready-to-use music track without ever touching an instrument. Next, we move on to visuals. Before generating any artwork, I go back to GPT and ask it to produce structured image prompts for every scene we need: the background environment, the full animal lineup, the chorus visuals, and all 10 number scenes. I make sure to tell GPT to keep everything in the same art style so Google Whisk produces consistent imagery. With the prompt list ready, I open Google Whisk and start building the artwork. First, I generate the main background, a colorful, friendly parade street that will act as the set for the entire video. A single, consistent background makes all scenes feel like they belong in the same world. Then, I generate the full lineup of animals in one image. This becomes the reference image that Whisk uses to keep every character's design consistent across scenes. After those 2 foundation images are ready, I generate each individual scene by dragging the background into the scene box the animal lineup into the subject box, and pasting one of GPT's prompts for the specific verse. Whisk produces child-friendly illustrations automatically, and if something looks off, like extra animals, wrong colors, or unusual proportions, I regenerate until the scene matches the lyrics perfectly. Now comes the part that truly brings the video to life: animation. Grok takes every still image and turns it into moving footage. I upload each image one at a time and begin by testing normal mode, which preserves the original drawing while adding soft, natural motion. Then I test fun mode, which exaggerates movement and introduces livelier bounces, tilts, and gestures. Fun mode is often perfect for kids' songs because the motion feels playful and energetic, but some scenes look cleaner in normal mode. I compare both versions and choose the one that best matches the beat and tone of the music. If a scene feels too static, or I want specific actions, marching legs, swaying tails, blinking eyes, waving trunks, hopping feet, bobbing heads, or group movements, I return to GPT and ask it to write a detailed animation instruction describing exactly what should move and how. I paste that description into Grok and regenerate the animation, refining the movement until everything looks synchronized, smooth, and visually engaging for toddlers. By the time all animations are finished, the project finally feels like a real music video rather than a collection of still images. With all scenes animated, we move into CapCut for final assembly. This is where the entire video comes together. I import the Suno music track first and place it at the base of the timeline so the audio becomes the backbone of the edit. Then I import the animated clips and align them precisely with the corresponding lyrics. Syncing visuals to music is crucial for children's content because toddlers understand timing through repetition. Since Grok adds subtle background noise to each animation clip, I mute every video track inside CapCut so the final video only plays the clean Suno music. After all clips are arranged, I add a bright, kid-friendly title card at the beginning. Something simple like Animal Parade Counting Song, using CapCut's text styles designed for children's videos. Then I apply a clarity filter across all clips to unify contrast, brighten the colors, and give the entire video a polished, finished look. When everything is in place, I export the video in high resolution. And just like that, a complete AI-generated kids song is ready to upload.
March, 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 hooray! Animal friends are on parade. Count along, come join the fun. Let's say numbers one by one. Hey, hey! Animal number grand parade.
Number 1.
One little lion having fun. Roar so big, number 1.
Roar!
Roar, roar all day. Come on, lion, lead the way.
2 tall giraffes reach up high, stretching necks into the sky.
Stretch, stretch, side by side.
Giraffes make 2 in the parade line.
3 small monkeys swing with glee, laughing loud, hee hee hee.
Swing, swing, swing so free.
Happy monkeys, number 3. 4 bluebirds begin to soar, flapping wings forevermore. Flap, 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 explore.
Flying friends make number 4.
5 soft bunnies hop, 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 bouncing up and never stop. Hop, 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 they're all alive. Count those bunnies, number 5.
If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support is the motivation behind every new video I create.